Having trouble turning on mobile data on your Xiaomi or Redmi phone? This usually happens because of wrong APN settings or a network glitch, causing 4G or 3G not to appear even when your data is on. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to fix these issues and get your mobile data working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Register a new access point name. Open Settings. Tap on Mobile Networks. Now tap on the SIM card name you want to activate mobile data on. If a name doesn't show up, just tap the first SIM box. From here, select Access Point Names. Access Point names or APNs are needed for your phone to connect to a mobile data network. In many cases, the phone automatically sets this up when a SIM gets inserted. But if that does not work for you, then you will face such problems. So tap on New APN at the bottom of this page, select Name, and write Internet. After that, hit OK. Next, tap on APN and write Internet here as well. Once done, hit OK. Now tap on More in the bottom. Select Save. Now tap on this new APN to choose if it's not already chosen for you. After that, the internet should work just fine on your phone. But if the problem persists, you can try the next solution. Solution 2. Reset network settings. Go to your phone settings, then tap on More connectivity options. Scroll down and tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks, and Bluetooth. Then tap on Reset Settings and confirm your action. This will not delete your phone data, but it will reset your Wi-Fi password, your mobile data settings, and Bluetooth connections. So after this is done, give your phone a restart and try to connect to mobile data again. Hopefully, this time your problem will be solved. That's it everyone, now you know how to fix issues when turning on mobile data on Xiaomi phones. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks so much for watching.